In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature in DocuSign. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional signature ready to use on any document you receive. This is quick to set up, and once it's saved, DocuSign will automatically place it wherever your signature is required. First, sign into your DocuSign account. Once you're in, look for your profile picture or icon in the top corner and choose Manage Profile. This takes you to your account settings. In the menu on the left, select Signatures. This is where you control how your name and initials appear when you sign. If you need the DocuSign website or the mobile app, I've placed a link at the very top of the description so you can get to it fast. Click Add Signature to start. You'll see fields for your name and your initials. Make sure these match the name you use when signing documents. If a sender requires a specific format, enter it exactly as requested to avoid delays later. Now choose how you want your signature to look. Select gives you pre-styled, professional-looking options. This is the fastest route, and it keeps everything readable and consistent. Draw lets you create a handwritten style using your mouse, a stylus, or your finger on a touchscreen. Take your time and aim for a smooth line. Slowing down usually gives the most natural result. Upload lets you use an image of your real signature. Keep the file under 200 KB, and for best results, use a high-contrast image on a clean background. A cropped PNG with a transparent background often looks the most realistic. If the image looks faint, darken the original and re-upload so it's easy to see on documents. When you're happy with the preview, click Create or Adopt to save it. That's the confirmation that locks in your signature and your initials. From here on, whenever you open a document in DocuSign, your saved signature will be ready to place with a single click. If you ever want to make changes, come back to the same signature section and adjust or add a new style. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Double check your initials for typos, keep the style professional and readable, and if you sign frequently on mobile, test the draw option with a stylus for a cleaner look. Everything you do here syncs across devices, so you'll have a consistent signature whether you're on desktop or phone. That's it. Your signature profile is set up in DocuSign. If this helped you, please like and subscribe, and check the link at the top of the description to access DocuSign right away. Thanks for watching.